What is up, guys? It's KJOS here, and today I will be reviewing the Google Chromecast. As people, we watch movies or we watch TV shows on 3 different platforms, on our phones, on our laptops, and our TVs. And because of that, there's really no denying that streaming services are a big trend in 2019, and it's only going to get bigger and better as time goes by. And because of that, this baby right here is a must-have in your house. So before we get into the unboxing and how the Chromecast works, let's do a little intro. So the Google Chromecast was made by Google, duh. It's a streaming media player that allows you to stream music videos, TV shows, and music from your phone to your TV. So it's essentially that your phone controls the entire thing from top to bottom. And for one, you're going to be wondering, oh, my smart TV already does that. My smart TV allows me to do all that. You're correct and very much on point. But the difference is that the Chromecast is significantly cheaper than what a smart TV will cost. And that helps people that are on a budget. So the Chromecast costs $35 on Amazon and a Google store, while a smart TV goes far farther than what a Chromecast costs. So that is why the Chromecast should be a must-have in your house. So for the unboxing, the box contains the dongle itself, a USB-C cable, and a charging brick just in case your TV's USB port is hard to reach. And installing this is really quick. The HDMI end of the device goes to the back of the TV, and the USB cord can either be connected to the charging brick and then to the power outlet or the USB port on the TV itself. Follow the 2-minute setup guide and boom, you are ready to cast. To begin watching videos or playing music from your phone to the Chromecast, you simply open the Google Home app and browse for apps on the phone that is supported by the Chromecast. Or you can open the app already and select the video or music you want. Click the cast button and the content starts to play on your TV. For example here, if you want to watch Netflix, as you can see, I'm watching Top Boy. I open the app, I press the Chromecast button, and it casts directly to my TV. It should stream 1080p content to your TV, but depending on your internet speed, it might drop. Also on Spotify and other Google supported apps, your phone acts as a remote control. Like I said earlier, you can use this to pause, skip, and adjust volumes from your phone. One of the best perks, one of the best things about the device of the Chromecast is that you actually don't even need to stay in the Google Home app once you start casting. You can actually move from app to app, make phone calls, take pictures. You can even do live video, do so many things. So apps like YouTube, for example, that once you get out of the app, it stops. With the Chromecast, you can do as many things as you want and still watch what you want to watch. Apart from using the Chromecast to watch videos, you can also use it to mirror your phone or your laptop to your TV, allowing you to display background images on the TV or share presentations for business meetings and pictures from your phone. So if you want to show your parents a video or a photo without them swiping left to right because parents are parents, this is the perfect way to do it. So for less than 20,000 Naira, I feel this device is a real bargain if you compare the price to what it costs to get a smart TV. So thanks for watching. If you're going to get the Chromecast, please comment below and let me know. Or if you have an alternative that you're using, also comment so I can see and try it out, because competition is really good for Wii users. And as always, please like and subscribe. This helps the channel grow. I'm a growing person. Please let me blow small. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.